Have you ever wondered about the hidden conflict in the Middle East? It's a shadow war, primarily between Iran and Israel. This conflict plays out quietly, through intelligence operations and cyber attacks, rather than traditional battles. Let's dive into its complexities. The shadow war began in earnest after the Iranian Revolution in 1979. This pivotal moment transformed Iran's political landscape. The new Iranian leadership opposed Israel vehemently. Since then, their relationships have only grown more hostile. But what exactly is a shadow war? A shadow war involves covert operations. Unlike open warfare, it focuses on espionage, sabotage, and cyber warfare. Each nation tries to outsmart the other without publicly engaging in conflict. This dynamic is crucial to understanding their ongoing rivalry. Now, let's break down the main players. Iran, driven by its desire to expand influence, often supports militant groups in the region. Israel, on the other hand, prioritizes intelligence and preventive measures. They aim to disrupt Iranian plans before they escalate. For example, consider cyber attacks. These are significant tactics in this shadow war. In 2020, Israel reportedly attacked Iranian nuclear facilities using cyber tools. This prevented Iran from advancing its nuclear capabilities for a time. Such actions demonstrate the strategic nature of this conflict. In summary, the Iran-Israel shadow war is a complex, ongoing rivalry. It relies on secret strategies and covert tactics rather than open confrontations. Understanding these dynamics is essential to grasp the broader Middle Eastern tensions. Want to stay informed about global conflicts? Subscribe to our channel for more insights.